so that the glue sticks better and the nails stick better to them, as you can see right there. And next I'm using nail polish remover on my nails so that, you know, I get away any excess funkiness with the nails, like nothing's going to stick, you know. Okay, so next I am pulling out the nails. They are Sassy Chic fashion nails, and the glue today that I'm using is Kiss Super Bond Pink Nail Glue, and I am also pushing back my cuticles so that the nails look a little more natural on there. Okay, so now I'm applying the glue, and yeah, this stuff dries quickly, so definitely be careful. You have to work quick with these. But yeah, I like the nails. Okay, they stick on pretty well. Okay, so right now I'm pressing on the nails, making sure it's really stuck on there, you know, really getting it in there. But yeah, I really like these nails. The design is cute. Oh, I dropped the bottle there. Okay, the design is cute. I haven't tried to wash my hands yet. I didn't really do anything, but I have been editing this video and I haven't noticed any of them starting to pop off. Oh yeah, I'm just showing off my nails. Okay, so now I'm filing them. Oh yeah, I did like before I put on the nails, I actually made sure that all of them would fit. I was testing out, you know, because you don't want to put down the glue before you make sure that your nails, like the nails are gonna fit. And any ones that didn't look like they were gonna fit, I filed them to where, you know, like at the sides, so that they were smaller and they would fit in there, because it's just gonna come off if it doesn't fit entirely onto your nail. Okay, so I'm just like filing them, making sure they're all nice and neat. Any little imperfections, just get those on out of there. Cute. They're all like spring-like, you know. I like the design. And there's me showing off my nails again. Okay, so for now I have to go, but until next time, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.